Hey everyone, thanks so much for joining. I'm going to give you a tried and true trading update. And I was actually working on these and didn't get a chance to start the live stream, but saw the opportunity, went for it, so I grabbed some screenshots so that we could still share. So somewhere around, let's see, this was around 220. So that's this activity here. Probably around here, maybe around here. I decided to go in at 320. Instead of waiting for it to hit some of these lower points again. So knowing that, from what I saw and what my gut was telling me, we were going to get another one of these peaks and we'd be fine. So I just wanted to grab something very quick from 320 to 322. And if it did anything more than that, then that's super. I was ready to pounce on that as well. So you can see this is the progression. I put my trade in and I set this up to sell 22, 3, 4, 5, 6, just in case it moved quicker than my full assessment of the position. So then here's a little bit after that. What I'm doing is I'm kind of testing just in case it did pop down before popping back up. I didn't mind grabbing 315 and 313. I'm giving myself a circulation of about 0.1 BTC for this kind of, spreading my attention very wide across several different things. Obviously, I want to make sure that I'm as cautious as possible moving forward. So it's currently at 318. We went in at 320. Usually goes down before it goes back up. So we're kind of looking for a pop, and that usually happens in, kind of tighter corners there. So that's around 230, 240 Eastern Standard Time. And I'm now adjusted towards 22 and 23. I do not think that it's going to go up higher than that, and I want to make sure that if it only gets through this area, that it doesn't run out of liquidity before I get a chance to clear those positions. So now here's what I was waiting for, and it did exactly what I was hoping and thought it would do. Fantastic. So, of course, I then cleared this out because I wasn't going to wait around until it does an entire cycle again without giving you an update. So that's just the kind of guy I am. So very happy that that cleared, and in case you're thinking that this isn't the case somehow, I don't, post tiny little yellow triangles in there. So here's the account. You can see it broke down the buy, and it broke down the sells. We got 322 and 323. All's good. So happy to see that. Happy to share it. And we'll be doing live trading without a net very soon. Thank you so much for joining Archangel Alts. Tried and true trading, giving you an update. See you guys soon.